Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the ScreenBeam Bonded MoCA 2.5 Network Adapter Starter Kit, model ECB7250K02, designed to supercharge your internet speed using your home's existing coax cables. This powerful adapter delivers internet speeds up to 2.5 gigabits per second, outperforming traditional Wi-Fi and making it perfect for 4K streaming, gaming, and working from home. With its 2.5 gigabits per second network port, it's backward compatible with 10, 101,000ths of a megabit per second Ethernet connections, allowing you to skip Wi-Fi and enjoy wired Ethernet connections throughout your home. MoCA 2.5 technology ensures faster, more reliable speeds for up to 16 nodes on one network, and you can even connect remote Wi-Fi access points for extended coverage. Just ensure compatibility by checking if you need one ECB or a MoCA compatible router, as some DOCSIS 3.1 modems might cause conflicts. Notably, this adapter isn't compatible with DirecTV, Dish, or AT&T coax networks, and remember that ECB7200, ECB7250, and ECB7250 are not cross-compatible. Included in the kit are two ECB7250 adapters, power adapters, Ethernet cables, coax splitters, and a quick start guide to enhance your home's wired network effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.